of the Republic of Balochistan has sentenced Pakistan's 11th Chief of Army Staff Saeed Asim Munir Ahmad Shah to life imprisonment on charges of war crimes, crimes against humanity and widespread violations of international law in Balochistan. The verdict, delivered unanimously on February 20th, declared the Pakistan Army leadership guilty in all counts after a 2-year investigation. Chief Justice Abdul Karim Baloch emphasized that the maximum prescribed penalty was required given the severity of the crimes committed. The tribunal found overwhelming evidence that included over 100 witness testimonies, military records, survivor accounts, and evidence of financial exploitation linked to the extraction of resources in Balochistan. The charges included systematic military incursions, targeting civilians through aerial bombardments, enforced disappearances, torture, sexual violence, economic pillage, and environmental destruction. The tribunal confirmed that the Army Chief, Saeed Asim Munir, exercised command responsibility and failed to prevent or punish these crimes. We now have the charge sheet against Asim Munir as filed by the Balochistan Tribunal. My colleague Rumi Mishra will read it out for you.
Have right in front of my screen the charge sheet against Asim Munir by the Supreme Tribunal of the Republic of Balochistan. It reads, and I am quoting it here, "The accused is hereby convicted of the offences charged, having considered the evidence on record, the submissions of counsel, and the gravity of the offence. This court finds that the end of justice requires the imposition of the maximum prescribed penalty." According to the 11th COS, Saeed Asim Munir Ahmad is sentenced to imprisonment for life constituted under Article 48 of the Constitution of the Republic of Balochistan. The tribunal bench comprised of 5 women justices and 5 men justices. I'll read out their names for our viewers. It's Justice Gul Bibi Baloch, Justice Karima Baloch, Justice Gulnaz Baloch, Justice Shari Baloch, Justice Mehnaz Baloch, who are all females. And then we have the male male members of the bench, including Justice Abdul Karim Baloch, who was the Chief Justice, Justice Mehrab Khan Baloch, Justice Dost Muhammad Baloch, Justice Asadullah Baloch, and Justice Sabah Dashtiyari Baloch. The tribunal was duly constituted under the sovereign authority of the Republic of Balochistan pursuant to Articles 1, 4, 7 and 48 of its constitution, affirming territorial integrity, civilian protection, and the inviolable dignity of its people. The nature of this charge sheet, I'll read it out as well. The prosecution submitted a 20-page charge sheet supported by documentary evidence and survivor testimonies of the eyewitnesses of the victims. The charges include systematic military incursions into sovereign territory of the Republic of Balochistan and establishment of unauthorized military garrisons across the coastline and mainland. It also includes establishment, given the gravity and scale of crimes, the tribunal has suggested that establishment of a victim's reparations fund should be there. There should be confiscation of illicitly obtained assets of Saeed Asim Munir Ahmad Shah, who is of course the Field Marshal of Pakistan. There should be restoration of these lands to civilian communities immediately, and immediate cessation of all unauthorized military activity across the Republic of Balochistan. The Republic of Balochistan has also asked for international cooperation with the International Criminal Court and is filing a petition to the International Court of Justice regarding unlawful aggression of Pakistan against the Baloch people. They have also asked to issue international arrest notices through appropriate legal channels and asked the Interpol to arrest Asim Munir, who is the Field Marshal of Pakistan. According to the conclusion, and I read it out again, sovereignty of the Republic of Balochistan will not be compromised. Security and well-being of the people of Balochistan is their utmost duty. The Republic of Balochistan is the state, and the state reserves the power to arrest, trail and persecute war criminals of Pakistan Army and their local facilitators. Pakistan military is illegally stationed in the Republic of Balochistan, and Balochistan court urges the global powers to assist the Baloch law enforcement agencies and defense forces to maintain peace and ask Pakistan to leave Balochistan. The Republic of Balochistan stands committed to human dignity, environmental preservation and lawful governance. Over to you, Vaishali.
And with that, viewers, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll see you on the other side.